So this is the current deck. Extend the deck from here, right here, to over here to where that flashing is, and then have the steps going down. That's what I want to have done. Right now, I know I have things in place. I'll go ahead and move this stuff, but like I said, it's just literally like a foot or a foot and a half. One other thing I'd like to mention, there's a post right here. This post right here that goes all the way down. You can leave this post in right here, but this is the way it looks. This cleared out right here. All of this is going to be pretty much replaced and then extended. I just wanted to extend it over here, from here to here, and then steps to go down. Yeah. Work being done today. by a contractor right here.
Calvin here with Done Right Handyman Pros LLC. I'll be more than happy to assist you in any means necessary. We get the work done right, reliable.
Okay.